welcome back to my channel. It's Tanella. I just freshly washed my hair because I'm about to do mini twists in my hair. Honestly, I always do mini twists on my hair whenever I want to give myself, you know, just a little break from my hair and stuff. And it's time because I'm kind of tired of doing my hair. So I'm gonna put these mini twists in for a good little 2 weeks and then, you know, wash my hair and start all over again. And usually I will use like heavy creams and oils to like do my mini twist. But this time I think I'm just gonna use some really light products so that my hair can be nice and airy and flowy. And these two are the products that I'm gonna be using today. This is a liquid leave-in conditioner from In Love, and this is their mousse. So that's what I'm gonna be using on my hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started because I know this is gonna take a little minute. I've never used this product before. This will be my first time using it, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of that all over my hair. This is my first time using like a liquid leave-in conditioner, period, to be honest. Definitely a cream girly, but we'll see what this does. Wow, this feels really good, you guys. Oh my gosh. And this is the size that I am making them. Pretty small. So you just twist all the way down, and then when you get to the ends, I just twirl them around my finger, and that's basically it. But yeah, this is gonna be kind of repetitive, so I'll just come back at different points in my hair because y'all don't need to be seeing all this, so I'll be back. Honestly, I'm never going back to creams for my mini twists. It's just gonna be mousses and foams from now on. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I just put a little makeup on and did my edges a little bit. As you can see, I do expect my hair to shrink a little bit more, and I don't think I'm gonna stretch it with heat or anything like that. I'll just like maybe like put in a ponytail to kind of stretch it naturally. But other than that, I'm just gonna let it do what it do, and not, you know, manipulate it much or do anything of that sort. But yeah, this is, ooh, look at that little piece right here. Oh my gosh, it's like just out there, just like hanging. Look at it. I might even do a little half up, half down look, just to kind of leave my hair out. Not it. You can also do a little half up, half down with, you know, hair out in the front, you know, with the back out. That'll look really cute too. This is what I always do. I always do like a high bun. Every time I do this hairstyle, I always like end up doing just a regular high bun, because it just brings everything together. It just looks really cute. But for the next couple of days, I'm just gonna leave it out. I'm just gonna still do the middle part. But as you can see, this hairstyle, it's so versatile. This is why I love doing my hair like this. But yeah, you guys, this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.